In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Taobao Frozen account. If you're locked out, don't worry. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do and what to expect at each stage. Start by going to the official Taobao website or app and attempt to log in. Carefully read the message on the screen that explains why your account is frozen. Understanding the reason guides your next move. Common triggers include suspicious login activity, too many incorrect password attempts, payment or verification issues, or a potential policy violation. Take note of any codes or wording in the notice and avoid repeated login attempts that might extend the lock. Next, complete the identity verification that Taobao requests. Follow the on-screen prompts and choose the verification method available to you, such as phone verification, email verification, or, if asked, an ID check. Use the same device and network you normally use with Taobao, since consistency can help automated checks succeed. If you're submitting ID, ensure the photo is clear and unedited, with all details visible. Double check that your name and account details match your documents. If security looks like the issue, reset your password. Select Forgot Password, enter your registered phone number or email, and follow the reset instructions. Create a strong new password that you haven't used before. Aim for a memorable phrase mixed with numbers and symbols, and avoid anything easily guessed. Store it securely and do not share it. If the freeze occurred after a payment attempt, verify your linked payment methods. Open your Alipay or chosen payment account and confirm your identity there if prompted. Make sure your card or wallet details are accurate and up to date, and that the billing name and country match your Taobao account information. Updating expired cards or correcting typos often resolves payment-related locks. If you still can't access your account, reach out to Taobao's help center, use live chat or the customer service option, and clearly explain what happened, what you've already tried, and the exact error message you're seeing. Be ready to provide proof of account ownership if requested, such as order history, screenshots, or partial details that match your account. Never share full card numbers or sensitive security codes. Finally, wait for the account review. Taobao typically completes reviews within 1 to 7 days. During this time, keep an eye on notifications and email for updates and follow any additional instructions they send. Once you're back in, consider enabling extra security features to prevent future freezes. You've got this.